back to another Nerf Blast review. So today's gun, today's gun we're gonna review is the Nerf. No, hey, come on, come on.
Okay.
The Nerf.
Cross.
Okay, the Nerf N-strike. The Nerf N-strike Maverick rev-6, and this is a really
Pull back.
Yeah, this is a
Spring loaded.
yeah, it's a spring powered gun. You prime it like this, and it's a revolver. Not yet. And it has a rotating barrel, like stop.
Yeah, like this.
Hey, no.
Okay, go.
So it has a button like the strong arm. If you haven't watched the strong arm video,
Yeah, watch it, or we'll nerf you.
okay, and for some reason this is like one of the most popular Nerf guns.
What year?
2004 or 5?
2004.
2005, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go test it at the testing range, which is right over there. So yeah, I'm gonna go first
Okay, go.
with my Maverick, and Pa has the blue one. So yeah. Oh, what? I think this is a reverse plunger. I don't know. It's pretty weak. Oh, it landed! I don't know. Oh wait, it's not primed. Oh. Ooh. Wait, I'm not out. I still have a few left. Oh.
Now you're out.
So yeah,
My turn.
this is already primed. I'll film you do it.
Yeah, film me do it.
Ooh. The ones at the ooh. Oh wait. You're out.
I'm out.
So yeah, that's it for the review of the Nerf N-strike Maverick rev-6. So yeah, I don't know, but I don't know.
Don't know what.
This is N-strike, right?
Yep.
Now they have direct plungers, right? Those are like direct.
Wait, pull my finger.
I won't hear it over the music.
Okay, now.
So like, I don't know. I think this is a reverse plunger.
Okay, that's enough.
I mean, I don't know. It has to be a direct plunger because the fire.
See you next time on Masters of
So yeah, whatever.
Blasters.
You know what? This has a plunger and it shoots. So yeah, goodbye.
Bye.